So students, this particular numerical, what we have started in the last lecture, the last topic, differential equation. Now we are going to solve some word problem, which we are going to take the help of concept of differential equation. That's why those particular numericals, now whatever I'm going to solve, comes under application of differential equation. So let us start the numerical. Okay, I will write the data when I read the numerical. So students, rate of increase of bacteria is directly proportional to what number of bacteria present at time at at that instant. So what I will do, let number of bacteria present at initial time, initial, yeah, let initial number of bacteria be what, n0. That time, what is the time? Time is what, 0 hour. Okay, n not 0 hour. So it states that number of bacteria, now I'm going to consider number of bacteria present at time t. Let the number of bacteria present at time t be what, n. And what is the time here? T hours. Okay. So now what is the condition here? Since what is the condition? Rate of increase of bacteria. Increase of bacteria matlab what? Change in bacteria with respect to time. Dn means what? Change in bacteria with respect to time is directly proportional to what? Number of bacteria present at that instant. Okay. That instant. At time t, number of bacteria present at that instant is what? N. This is very important. Now all of you concentrate how to solve. So dn by dt equals to, now constant will come because directly proportional, no? K multiplied by n. What I will do in the next step, n will come in the denominator, dn will remain here, k into what? dt. Agreed? Then what I will do in the next step, I will take the integration because variables are separated. And constant will also come, the integration constant. Okay? What is integration of 1 upon n? Log n. What is integration of 1 with respect to t? T plus c. Okay? Now listen students, all of you concentrate. At t equals to 0, at t equals to 0 hour, how many bacteria were present? N0. तो फॉर्मूला क्या बनेगा? Log of N0 equals to 0 into anything 0 बचा C. तो C का वैल्यू क्या मिला? Log of N0. Okay? And all of you consider. Then I will put C here. So log of N equals to KT plus C. What is C? C is what? Log of N0. Log of N0 will come here. Log of N minus log of N0 equals to what? KT. Log of M minus log of N? Log of M upon N equals to what? KT. Okay, this is what your final answer. Final answer means what? This is not the final answer. Let's say equation number 2. Everyone consider. Now what is given? Number is double in 4 hours. Number is double in 4 hours. Matlab initial number was N0 na? After time t equals to 4 hours, N becomes what? 4 times of N naught. 4 times of N naught मतलब 4 times. हम बोल सकते 4 घंटे के बाद वो डबल हो जाता है, सॉरी डबल हो जाता है ना, डबल मीन्स व्हाट, 2 times of n naught. Okay, so now I will put the value n के जगह पे what I will put n naught और time के जगह पे what I will put 4 hours. Just put it over here. So log of n के जगह पे क्या पुट करूंगा, 2 times of n naught upon n naught, time is what 4. Okay, यहाँ पे n naught गायब हो जाएगा, तो 1 upon 4 equals, sorry, 1 upon 4 log of 2 equals to k. मतलब यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ के। मैंने अभी क्या किया, पहले सी फाइंड किया, अभी के फाइंड किया। नाउ लास्ट स्टेप, ऑल ऑफ यू कॉन्सेंट्रेट, लास्ट स्टेप। अभी वो क्या कह रहा है, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन, फाइंड नंबर ऑफ बैक्टीरिया, कितने बनेगा बैक्टीरिया इन 12 आवर्स। तो व्हेन टाइम इज 12 आवर्स, एन की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी, व्हेन टाइम इज व्हाट 12 आवर्स, एन कितना हो जाएगा। तो अभी व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल पुट हियर टी के जगह पे 12 आवर्स, के जगह पे 1/4 log 2, एंड आई विल फाइंड व्हाट नंबर n। तो ऑल ऑफ यू कॉन्सेंट्रेट, कैसे फाइंड कर रहा हूं, therefore all of you concentrate, here I will put in equation number 2, say this is equation number 3, so I will put t equals to 12 and k value in equation, what equation 2। चलो बराबर से देखना, तो log of n upon n naught equals to k, what is k, 1/4 log 2, बराबर, and what is t, t is 12 hours, so 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, so log of n upon n naught, so what is the final answer, 3 into log 2, ये 3 ऊपर जब मारेगा, become what, 2 raised to 3, what 2 raised to 3, 8, so finally I will get log of n upon n naught equals to what, log of 8, okay, remove log from the both sides, so what will final answer, n upon n naught equals to 8, so what is n equals to 8 times of n naught, n equals to what, 8 times of n naught, मतलब उसका कहना क्या है, आफ्टर 12 आवर्स नंबर ऑफ बैक्टीरिया बिकम 8 टाइम्स ऑफ इनिशियल, वॉट एवर इनिशियल कितने प्रेजेंट है, एन नॉट, 12 घंटे का बाद कितना होगा, 8 गुना, 8 टाइम्स ऑफ एन नॉट। ओके, होप सो यू अंडरस्टूड द न्यूमेरिकल, प्लीज कॉपी।